Erica will sell out her latitude and the holy blood clot thing. And the house where you take from blood clot Walter and trick Walter to put your name in at the old blood clot barg. The old haunted house where you cannot maintain. Dirty, nasty, stinking one be a dollar down suck would lick up Batty Erica. I am not blood clot Curly. I am not the boy over England. You can't live from blood clot me and make money. Erica, come here. Erica, the same way you cannot maintain your dirty hole out here, you come sick blood clot. Crabby as and yam out the hole of your hole. The picture is there. Go bathe and go brush your teeth. Go find a dentist and a gynecologist. Your big and stink and nasty like. The only blood clot fucking we go on a bud go down a Jamaica go fuck off plummy. Where you buy bud ticket and bud come down there. Move your nasty stinking underprivileged suck out thieving scamming lying dirty nasty one be a germs the self and go away. Move from right here so. You want put your mouth in every blood clot body business past social media. Yo, and when nobody talk about you, you go like, no comfy blood clot me, dirty nasty stinking blood clot Erica. Germsy Erica. Look, bud, no blood clot body never talk past social media after them fuck for me son, but them fuck your blood clot son. How much man fuck out bud but you all past social media? Had 3 man out here talk till all $1 say fi jump on bud yes. Had 3 blood clot man fuck out but you all Erica no go there so. No go there so. Erica your daughter them biggest stinker insipid like your daughter belly a map and a sweep the blood clot because of them Belgium and your daughter belly go sweep up the blood clot Great Wall of fall of Belgium. Erica move your nasty stinking dirty blood clot and me you want come make morning content offer go make it off a dirty plummy go beard blood clot plummy and take her up front of the chapel before night blood clot Jew killer. Go on go take up plummy there you have to go come out here with blood clot sauce and short pan come back collection money. You know, so the blood of Jesus is against your dirty Erica. All of the money where you scam up and that a burn you and a me blood clot tell you to use your big stinking dirty pit latrine. Dirty underprivileged Erica and a me tell you. And a me tell you to make your thinking latrine put you in a blood clot problem. You don't even have a good boot to put by your foot. For we got rebel salute is a disgrace to Tony Rebel. Birthday, you disgrace the man pan him birthday, such an icon. And look pan the boot, and you not have blue boot, but you look for make your big thinking mouth, and there you come, and come call it. Social media send you got a doctor for your pussy. Social media you scam them up and it buy ticket. Social media do everything. Move up your dirty blood clot and go take up plummy and be there and drink the water. The only somebody fuck off somebody out here is Bud. And John got to fuck your 2 daughter them with the Down syndrome where you come out about when to your daughter. Lie you the blood clot tell. Lie. And your daughter did a walk and a fuck down Portland all draw 70,000 till you got a courthouse go tell lie. Erica, you know see you condemn. Come here, Erica. Remember say when your daughter, why you and your sister Erica go down a Eileen. Erica, go down to Eileen. Why you and your sister, your family, them not talking? Why you can't go visit Plummy? You have strength for people on social media. And you not have strength for your niece, man. Go visit Plummy, make we see, make the man kick you in your big stinking dirty one wash pussy. Go on. Your only thing what you have to do, when you scam up the money, you feel like it good. Right at the liquor corner shop, you can't want $5,000 go left. Hungry a kill blood clot Plummy down there. Erica go take care of your mama. Your big ass stink and nasty like. You can't stop me from some any mama blood clot thing I want to say. Because if I did film me business, you'll put your blood clot big stinking mouth in it. If I did film me business, or anybody else to say blood clot business. I mean, they tell you to come out here and tell lie on people. I mean, make them not feed you and blood clot, mind your part social media, big stinking, dirty, nasty, underprivileged, so good blood clot, Erica. Lick out batty, Erica. Erica, we gungo peas a fuck fry your blood clot and go call out gungo peas. You want content, no make content off of me. Cause me no careless like blood clot you. Cause me no want me and my pitney them be enemy. Me no want my, remember your own daughter the come call you drunk right now. Erica, I know me make you no live good with your pitney them. Erica, I know me make you did married to Walter whether for business or for go. You know sister, you nobody every time you catch the belly. Erica, come here. You have 3 blood clot pitney and the whole 3 of them born in Jamaica. Erica, you know, sister, Walter never count you. The whole 3 of your blood clot pitney them born in Jamaica. 3 of them born in Jamaica. Walter never count your dirty blood clot. Stay there with the imaginary life, but you travel there. You never go no blood clot where mother you go to Belgium. Lie you telling, drunk. Lie you telling, because if you did go America a long time, you tell lie for everybody till and tell lie for everything. Come here. If you did go America, you would did want high grade figure one address. That's why high grade your dirty blood clot bogus address. And that's why God give a nasty whooping. You get a 10-year visa and can't travel upon it. Girl, you know to see a generational curse I take you. Erica, you know to say you condemn or you curse. I should out here argue with you. Erica, landlord Angela Merchant scammer Portland garbage truck. Erica, you clean up Portland. Erica, you clean up Portland all garbage truck. Me should out here do this video, you know. I mean, I come back out here, you will only see your post and you receipt them. Me not come back out here to you no drunk crow. Cause of that you look. Because that's where you know you not have no life. No, the other day you say you got doctor and doctor say you have all sort of sickness and you have this scam people money. Why you not go take care of your personal hygiene and why you not go take care of health? Erica, where is your food angler's permit? You rob till you rob from the church. Pastor Sean Miller give you 1,000. Come here, you red eye and bad mind. Come here. Pastor Sean Miller give you $1,000 for yourself. And give you $200 for Ricky. And you take the $200 and say you go buy slippers. Where the slippers them there? Where the slippers them there? You know see you condemn. You buy the most and we feed you out here. You condemn. You cannot find peace. You know see your generational curse upon you. Your mama man fuck you. For your man and brother come fuck off back for your picnic. Your son fuck off your mama. Cause Plummy are the only 80-year-old woman a bud go down they go fuck off Plummy. You see you come out and a confess. Just like how you did come out here and confess and say the whore them used to put you up, take you out of the market and you used to thief their money. And you thief Walter money. You thief Erica. You big and stink and nasty and dirty like you think you can argue with me. Erica, you know you cannot argue with me. Remember say when they fuck off your son and fling catty pan bud you come out you come ball like how you feel the hood. You remember? You remember how they come out you come ball? My own son. Erica, where the money where you scam up for the liar with Cheryl man for? Where you say you're not going to pay a liar because you're going to lock up Cheryl man? All thief. All thief. And me you want to make birthday money off her? Plummy we fuck and breed and you don't even care about your dirty blood clot. Your picnic them don't even care about you. Not even that happy birthday, you can't take up phone and call your pitney them. And I mean then a vice daughter said John got to move on. John got to move on for sure. So John got to don't want you. Cause if John got to didn't move on, I really want you Canada by the hook or the cookie. That's something what they. Only you one day and a ball out to John got to your baby father. And you blood clot count John got to. John got to don't count you. Because John got to never stick to the assignment. Because the assignment was you got divorce and run left Walter and John Gotti you got run left the Canadian woman and come marry to you. When John Gotti come down there, come fuck out your dirty blood clot and leave. John Gotti come down there, know you beg, and when John Gotti fuck your dirty blood clot, leave you with Marley Gripe and Fluxy complain, Erica. John got it fuck you and left you pa hungry belly. The flight never reach a Canada right pa live you there beg. You remember Erica? You come say you go do Airbnb. Come here, you say you condemn. You see how you condemn shit house. No matter with me. Two. Airbnb, I know it not reach nowhere. Shop, bar, everything. Nothing what you do. Nothing what you do. So when you take your mouth, you can't put me down. Nothing what you not do, Erica. Erica, me tell her something. 8 months been a blood clot work and Thursday morning me pick them and come out here. Blood clot, new, 2 of them because one day Alan. Erica, you can't talk to me. Erica go find love and peace when you pick them. Big dirty nasty stinking underprivileged drunk crow. Go find love. I know me make you buy the Android feed you. I know me make nobody now blood clot mind you. I know me make you have to down there with 1 blood clot in a bully beef and 1 in a mackerel and 1 tough crackers. I know me make it off your account. I know me make hard life I take you. No company you can't make content off of me. Don't come on me drunk crow. No come pa me and come cause me know when plummy dead I sit down out here for boy cut it a collection money you go come out here come beg. Erica all when your sister did dead you forget see your dead left money. Erica come here. My son pass on, God take him. Me and my family them never in a nothing for no collection money. Why you and your niece them not talk? Why them the one beat you for the funeral? Cause your thief from the dead. That's why you can't thank us. And torment so. Cause the people them send the money. And you should have give those money to your niece. You take the money for yourself. And that's why your sister, your niece, them they want to beat you off. Cause you thief, Erica, you're a thief. You cannot talk to me. I am a beggar, but you're a thief, you're a scammer. You can't chat to me. Erica, you have a drunken spirit and a tormented soul. Move your nasty, stinking bang belly blood clot. You're a fucking hypocrite. Every day you did out here talk about curly belly and look for you. Look past your belly, you favor them bang belly kid. And must all of the old discharge them for when to yourself fuck. All of the old blood clot discharge them. And what kind of sickness you have make you can't get to a food and glass permit, drunker? Serpent, drunker spirit, dirty, nasty, stinking Erica. Erica will live for people you top. Erica. I know nobody pass social media make me know about gel. You know me tell you already from me Jamaica me know lucky about gel. I know nobody member a people make you know about gel. Erica go and go bed. Me nah give you the rest of my time, you know. Cause I said me tell you something drunk. Make me tell you what you look for. You want stay over this and back. You won because I said generational curse, reaction, and quick action and retribution and it take you. Erica, all of your days you live at Obia man. Obia man and liar shall be your blood clot portion for done this scamming money. Obia man and liar shall be a portion, drunker. It shall be a portion and it shall be a destiny, galang. Because they say you will forever look dirty. You will forever confuse. I dead with laugh. No what you talk say. When me know it's not true, so you did want to scam your supporter, then you remember tell them about me live. in front of restaurant. A long time you thief and a scam. And me make Oliver, Angela, and Winnie make them stop mine you. At that about you and me. And me make them send barrel and sin thing and you tap get the people them barrel and the people them. And me make you can't go Western Union and go collect between 80 and 100,000 at the name of the homeless them drunk. You're two thief. Anyway, Erica, go hold a decent fuck off and go find some constructive to do. Go be it plumbing and take her friend of the chapel in my new one and I do kill her. Cause you know no burial money for her. And anytime Bud doing crime, don't come out come make me son. Cause a Bud guy Jamaica can nobody know one Bud cause Bud look old. Oh, Bud look old. So the generational curse I take him. Bud they are Europe. And look where your picnic come down in. And look on the clothes. The picture out there. My picnic them now wear them there's something there. Then there's something there where your wipe foot pan. Erica, move up your nasty and that privileged dirty blood clot and hold a decent fuck off and go suck your blood clot mama and go suck out dog pussy and go.